Euro pound, now we are based on daily chart and we want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, as we can see the price dropping here, and if it keep correcting, and if we refer back to my last video, we mentioned that for this pair we mentioned that we are more interested in the down up move similar to what we have here. But now the question is how deep this one can be. As you can see, it's really corrective. Okay, how deep it can go? Is there any possibility the price come to this without getting this up move? Yeah, it's still there. But from what we have, if we get within this, after when this correction is finished, if we get any up move, the up move can be really sharp, similar to what we get here. And this is what we are looking for to trade. In this case, we move to forward chart. As we can see, based on forward chart, it still is within this correction, this channel. How long we will be here, we are not sure. Okay, but mostly we are interested in the buy, and when we want to buy, even my last video mentioned, we prefer to buy at the bottom, somewhere around here within this line. And when we get the buy, when the price comes somewhere around here at the top, if we see it's not moving, we'll take the trade. Okay, as we can see here, even the correction, the way it's forming is like a sell, but the price, the actually sharp move up. Okay, anyway, we wanna see how this correction, how long will be within this correction will be there, and how deep it can go. But we want to get similar to what we have here. Based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up. Do we need to trade from here if we get a correction? It depends on the traders. Okay, in this case we move to 1 hour chart. Alright, based on what we have right now, we don't have the trade set up, but how about if we get a small correction here when the market open? Can we look for the up move? It depends how this can form. Similar to what we have here, yes. But anyone wants trading here, that means if then the market open, if we get the correction here, proper correction, we can look for the up move. Okay, in this case we just wait the market open and see how this correction can form before we look up for the up move. Alright, and if we get any buy setup, as long as the price move to the profit, we need to manage it. In case whatever we have here repeat, that means the price drop. Okay, that means if I say any buy setup, I will update. And but mostly we try to buy based on what we analyze, based on the forward and the daily chart. Mostly we try to buy at the bottom, not at the middle. That's why we need to wait to see how this correction can be before we look for the up move. That's why I don't, in this video I won't say if we get the correction we buy. If we get the correction, we see how this correction is and how is it in terms of the risk and reward, or the way it's moving can give us a buy setup or not. Then if we get the buy setup, how we need to manage it, it depends. That's why I call it, this trade is quite risky. Anyway, we try to get, in case this is the one is moving, and based on the forward daily how we explain is going to break that top. Anyway, if I see any update when the market open, I will share in the group. Thanks.